Riding my car, ain't stunting. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bag. That bag been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a semi. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major because I got all the trumpets. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, as y'all can see, man, it's back. I'm back with another POV, but this person right here in front of me driving 40 miles to get out there. You don't take all that, bro. You trying to get full hurt. You coming down the exit going 39. What the hell? But yeah, man. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, you know what I'm saying? I'm straight like that. I'm just getting straight into it, man. Welcome back for all my returning viewers. You know, it's all the new viewers, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get y'all a little cut up, man. Just Vlogmas, as y'all know, man. It's Vlogmas, man. Y'all know I gotta drop a video every day, and I will do that, man, to my best of my ability, Cari crew. I'll do it to the best of my ability, you know what I'm saying? So y'all just enjoy these vlogs or whatever you want to call them, bro. Enjoy them, you know what I'm saying? Cause they coming. Just know a video will be coming out every day around between 6 and 8. 6 and 8 or 6 and 9, you know what I'm saying? Between there. But nevertheless, man, just, you know what I'm saying, quick little cut up, highway POV cut up, man. I'm getting tongue twisted video just started, you know what I'm saying? Get y'all right into it. It sounds so good off of that truck, bro. Yeah, man. I'm trying to just see everybody kind of riding kind of slow. You know what I'm saying? Everybody riding kind of slow, man. I'm trying to see what's going on. Ain't too much traffic for real. Excuse me. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna downshift for y'all right quick, man. POV with the windows up. You know what I'm saying? Crazy. I should have my window down. I wonder how people be looking at Olivia when they hear how loud she is. They know it's a Charger, okay, but they don't expect it to be this loud. Everybody car ain't this loud. Alright, just listen, bro. I really just cut the camera on, man. Like I'm telling y'all, bro, recording every day, like, you know what I'm saying, to get y'all POVs, man, other little footages, man. I might have something in store for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying, going back to the city, getting litty. You know what I'm saying, going back to the city, getting litty. You feel me? Y'all know that lingo, man. Y'all already know the folks I'm talking about, man. When I go to the city, man. Y'all love when the Cari Beats go to the city, so I gotta keep y'all, especially for Vlogmas, bro. I gotta run it up. I may record 5 videos in one day, Cari crew. I ain't gonna lie to you. You gotta stay ahead of the game, man. Gotta stay ahead of the game. I got some more stuff coming, you know what I'm saying? Look at them. They're in the van. Durango car. ain't gonna lie, man. I've been thinking about a truck. No cap, like an SUV. SRT Durango, SRT Jeep. SRT Jeeps go crazy though. Durangos do too, but they gotta be a certain kind. With them Jeeps, like the newer body style Jeeps that look like a track. But yeah, man. The tracks, the SRT Jeeps, they go crazy. I ain't gonna lie. They do go crazy. But I like, man, they cost by almost like a newer one. Depending on how many miles they got, they cost almost as much as a Hawk. I'm like, damn. I know it's a truck, but come on, man. Car cool. Let me know what y'all think about that little pull right there, man. That's not a little stretch. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Anyway, my camera a little dark. I guess my brightness down. But anyway, man. Yeah, about the track, about the track hawks and the SRTs and all that. But yeah, man. I was thinking about a truck, but the SRT, like, they cost as much as a newer ones cost as much as a Hawk. You know what I'm saying? Down there, look at that CTAV. Cost as much as a Hawk down there. I know y'all ain't see this, my bad. But I be thinking y'all eyes like mine. But you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, car crew. Y'all let me know. They hard though. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, they hard. But you know what I'm saying? I really want to go cat. You know what I'm saying? I really do want to go cat. But the truck is different. Like, that's a whole different kind of feel, ball game, and content. See, on top of that, bro. It's business move at the same time, you know what I'm saying? Business over pleasure as of right now. You feel me? Business over pleasure. But, you know what I'm saying? Me getting a cat, that's business and pleasure together because I just know what I can do. You know what I'm saying? What I can do with it once I get my hands on the car crew. Like, folks don't know. Even folks that let me borrow their cat, like, just let me borrow it for a couple hours. I ain't gotta do no burnout in it for real. I ain't finna burn all your rubber. I ain't finna tear it up. Just let me do some POVs in it, bro. I can go crazy with the cat, bro. Like, Hellcats are like bro, putting the Hellcat in the title and just anything, bro, with what I do is crazy. It's gonna go crazy, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna go crazy, car crew. Every time. Every time, man. But it's gonna come soon, man. Hellcat coming soon, man. Hellcat coming soon. Tell you, 10K coming soon. 10K this year, man. 10K this year. It's kind of stretchy right now, but you know what I'm saying? Keeping faith alive. Leave 9K, but we're getting that 10K for sure. You know what I'm saying? 10K for sure. Not this month, definitely January, but my goal is to get it this month. That's like a, you know what I'm saying, a big goal I'm trying to put over my head, man, to make myself push to get to this next, you know what I'm saying, milestone, man. So y'all make sure y'all run up them lights, man, and comment what y'all want to see. You know what I'm saying? Come up with some new fire, man. I know y'all got some ideas, bro. I mean, I know I do car stuff, but there's more to it, bro. Just get creative. I ain't gotta always do, you know what I'm saying, strictly POV. It can be like other stuff, man, like how-to videos. Like, come on, bro. Our boy, rock with me, man. Rock with your boy, man. But yeah, that was a little quick little something. Kind of, you know, just straight out the gate, man, just getting these videos, like getting these vlogs. And these are vlogs, but car vlogs, you feel me? These are car vlogs, bro. It says on a tire? Or, that is a tire. It got Hennessy on the back. It's a girl driving. I know that's not a V6. Bro, I just know that's not a V6. I know that's not a V6. I just know that's not a V6. I don't hear nothing. When she hit the gas, I didn't hear anything. They got the setup on that bitch. I see it. She got the setup now. But what's going on though? What's going on, man? But nevertheless, man, you know what I'm saying, little slight cut up, you know what I'm saying, POV on the highway, man. Give y'all some nice little pulls, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, it's vlogging, like I said, videos on videos, you know what I'm saying? I be trying to just get these videos out. I'm sorry for some of them seem like they kind of rush, but you know what I'm saying? I'm just getting to the grind, man. And I got something coming for y'all, man. I'm thinking about it now if I really want to do it. If I had a different type of vehicle, it would go crazy. It would break the internet. Hopefully it still break the internet with what? That's a V6, bro. That's crazy. On sleeps. That bitch better be fast. I'm talking about stupid fast. But yeah, man, I got a video that can go crazy if I had one. Boy, if I had, man, Cari crew, bro, y'all just get me the 10K and up, man. I'm telling you, bro, like, whew, niggas will, bro. We gonna go crazy, Cari crew, bro. Crazy. But nevertheless, man, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. On the road to 10K, man. Get your boy that 10K the quick way. You gotta be the most dumbest person ever. Get your boy the 10K the quick way, man. But also, man, like I say, you know, at the end of my video, man, keep your head up. You know what I'm saying? Strive for greatness. Don't let nobody tell you no, man. And you know what I'm saying? Keep up the hustle and trust the process, man. I'm telling you, it take you a long way to trust the process. Oh, why, buddy? Also, Cari crew, man, like I also say for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man. But nah, for real though, man. Keep God first, keep him in the mix, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I always say, bro. I'm trying to keep it short and sweet with these outros, but you know what I'm saying? Keep him in the mix, man. Keep him in the mix, for sure. Talk to him every day. You know what I'm saying? Build that relationship, man. But anyway, like I also say, man, at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.